Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to Cognizant breaking news. Gen Z offer letter and joining date is released. Date of joining is 26 June 2025. So it is a breaking news. In the video we will discuss about everything. Like and share the video and apply for opportunity which I am sharing. Cognizant offer letter joining date we are discussing. Joining location is Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India. 25 batch phase 1, 26 June Cognizant selected. Interview date is 11th May and phase 1 candidate. This is the examination date. That communication assessment on 17th April, aptitude on 21-22nd, technical on 25th April. After that the interview date on 11th May, 9th May the examination result is declared. Okay, and on the 11th May candidate received the interview date. After some days he received the mail that he is shortlisted for the particular Gen Z role. Then he received the LOI, then the particular offer letter. Okay, and then there is a pre-joining formalities. We can say that the offer letter like pre-joining formalities, that is date of joining and everything. Warm greetings from Cognizant. Congratulations and welcome to Cognizant family. We are delighted to offer role with Cognizant, and offer role is foundation for rewarding your career. The attached offer letter including important details about your compensation, benefits and terms of condition. You will receive a mail from Cognizant within 24 hours to enable your access to onboarding portal, in which you can accept the offer letter and complete the pre-joining facility. The thing is, previously the offer letter website is not working, but now the website is working very well. Okay, and the portal is working very well, so you can accept your offer letter. Date of joining and location in the portal is only tentative and subjected to change. Please don't plan your travel and accommodation until you hear from us. In case of additional query, you can raise ticket here. We are looking to having you on board, and we believe that you will make a successful career for yourself at Cognizant. So as soon as possible I will come up with one interview experience with one of the candidate who shortlisted for this, who got the date of joining from the Cognizant. So from starting towards we will talk about all the process, okay, that is related to offer letter and the particular things. Okay, dear candidate, greetings from Cognizant. We thank you for accepting the full-time offer and looking forward to welcome. You have received the credential to log in into One Cognizant LIS 1C portal. Kindly follow the step and complete background verification, BGV and pre-joining formality approved before 23rd June for smooth onboarding into full-time program. So the thing is, the BGV process and pre-joining formalities you have to complete by 23rd June. Okay, before. Find below an overview mandatory step in sequence which need to complete to be get onboarded on your date of joining. Offer acceptance and date of joining acceptance through Cognizant LIS 1C portal. First of all, you have to accept the offer letter, offer acceptance and the date of joining acceptance, completion and verification of BGV in portal. Second thing is BGV, completion of pre-joining formalities in 1C portal. Okay, onboarding pass generation, this get generated 3 days before your date of joining. Onboarding pass that is required at the date of joining. Reporting at the location with the printed copy of onboarding pass generated is mandatory to get onboarded successfully. Completion of BGV and joining formalities. So this is a background verification. Log in to One Cognizant portal and upload the following mandatory document: 10th 12th mark sheet, diploma if applicable, UG mark sheet issued by university, provisional degree, PG provisional certificate, PAN card in your name. For the letter of authorization, LOA, digital signature are required. Pre-joining forms are log in to One Cognizant and ensure that you complete the pre-joining forms and upload the photo. Upon successful completion of BGV and pre-joining, you will receive notification with the link to download your onboarding pass 3 days before your date of joining. Refer below table for more details. To ensure report in person at Cognizant office. A printed copy of your onboarding pass. Please stay tuned for required regular update via 1C portal. Date of joining is 26 June. Location is Chennai. Okay, training facility is this Sirsuri IT Park. I think this is mentioned. The date of onboarding will be valid only if you complete the above mentioned step. This would not be any changes in the training location, and any location request will not be accommodated. Okay, so everything is mentioned here, and they clearly mention welcome to Cognizant 26 June joining address. The onboarding pass will have your joining address. To facilitate smooth integration, we request you, and activities if not already completed, these are the activities, things to do. Okay, and completion the submission of all mandatory documents in BGV portal and finish the pre-joining formality. BGV validation, onboarding pass will be generated on successful completion. Onboarding pass is one of the mandatory documents for onboarding. Without the onboarding pass, please do not report to location. Okay, there is no option of deferring the date of joining. Candidate must complete their onboarding process upon receiving the first instant. Okay, they clearly mention here accommodation and transportation arrangement have to be taken care by candidate. You have been residing in India at time to get onboarded. So they clearly mention what is the process here. They clearly mention in the step by step process: offer letter, acceptance and date of joining acceptance, complete and verification of BGV, pre-joining forms you have to complete, onboarding pass generation, it will be generated. Okay, and this gets generated 3 days before your date of joining. That's why they mention you have to complete by 23rd June. So you will receive the onboarding pass that is required on 26th June. Okay, so this is the complete process of Cognizant, BGV and everything. I hope you like the video. We will meet in the next video. Thanks for watching the video.